Hey everyone, I'm here to talk about an exciting new feature called Universal Control that lets you control the universe with your Mac. Nah, I'm capping y'all. Universal Control is actually a way to control multiple Macs and an iPad with only one mouse and keyboard. We first heard about this feature way back in June 2021 at WWDC.
This year, we've created a completely new way to work across your devices with greater precision and speed, and we call it Universal Control. With Universal Control, you can now use a single mouse and keyboard to move between your Mac and iPad for a seamless experience.
And here we are, almost a year later, finally getting the feature. Well, it's better late than never. I'm looking at you, AirPower. This feature is going to be especially helpful to people like me that want a seamless experience, which is what makes the Apple ecosystem so powerful. So, let's take this bad baby for a test drive. First, we're going to need to go over some requirements. You'll need to have a MacBook Pro released in 2016 or later, or a MacBook Air or Mini released in 2018, or an iMac released in 2017 or later. For iPad, you'll need any iPad Pro, iPad 6th generation or later, iPad Air 3rd generation or later, and last but not least, iPad Mini 5th generation or later. Woohoo! That was a mouthful. Time for another one, but with software this time. You'll need to be on macOS 10.3 or later and iPadOS 15.4 or later. You'll also need to have your devices signed in with the same Apple ID. And you'll need to have both devices within 30 feet of each other. Now, let's get into it. We'll start off with some settings on the Mac. You'll need to have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi turned on. And we need to turn on handoff by going to Settings, opening General, and clicking Allow Handoff between this Mac and your iCloud devices. Now, let's jump into Universal Control settings. You'll need to go to the home page of Settings, open Displays, and click on the Universal Control button. Next, we'll check all three of these boxes, which will allow us to use Universal Control from our Mac. Okay, y'all, we're done with the Mac. It's iPad time. You'll need to open up Settings on your iPad. Open General and select AirPlay and Handoff. After that, you'll need to toggle Handoff and Cursor and Keyboard on. It's time to control the universe, y'all. We'll go back to the Mac, and all you'll need to do is to make sure both of your devices are on, and push your cursor through the edge of your display closest to your iPad. After that, you'll see a little pop-up on the screen showing you a round iPad cursor, and there we go. You can use the keyboard to type in text fields on the iPad as well, and drag and drop files from your devices to each other. Wowee! That was a lot of fun, and we can't wait to see amazing things you'll do with Universal Control. Thanks for watching, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe to get even more helpful tech videos. See you in the next video. Thank you.